It can be a real challenge to get your camera right where you need it for those top-down overhead shots. The Kupo C-stand overhead kits are here to help. The kits include a 40-inch C-stand with grip head and grip arm, giving you the height and reach you need. Kit 1 comes with a sliding leg C-stand kit for a max height of 10.5 feet. The sliding leg even allows you to securely level the C-stand on uneven ground. Kit 2 comes with a 40-inch master C-stand with turtle base kit for a max height of 11 feet. Both kits come with Kupo's super grip finger with round camera plate, allowing you to attach your camera to the grip arm and get the position dialed in just right. A 10-pound wrap-and-go shot bag is also included to give your C-stand some added stability. Now, a couple quick safety tips. Always ensure that when rigging your grip arm, the weight of the camera is to the right of the grip head handle, or it could inadvertently loosen the grip head. Fly that grip arm out over the strong leg of the C-stand, and you're good to go. When your tripod just isn't tall enough, the Kupo C-stand overhead kits are here to help get your camera just where you need it. Ideal for food photography, flat lays, jewelry, and so much more. That's a wrap. When it comes to your image-making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.